You can simplify a number with a rational exponent by using the properties of exponents or by converting the expression to a radical expression. Problem 5. Simplifying numbers with rational exponents. What is each number in simplest form? Part A, 16 to the negative 2.5 power. Method 1, we can rewrite 16 to the negative 2.5 power as 16 to the negative 5 halves, and rewrite 16 as 2 to the 4th power to arrive at 2 to the 4th raised to the negative 5 halves power. And then using properties of exponents, that's 2 to the 4 times negative 5 halves, and that's 2 to the negative 10th power, which is equivalent to 1 over 2 to the positive 10th power, and that's 1 over 1024. In method 2, we begin the same, rewriting 16 to the negative 2.5 power as 16 to the negative 5 halves. But now we immediately write this, using properties of exponents, as 1 over 16 to the positive 5 halves. And that's 1 over the square root of 16 raised to the 5th power, which is equivalent to 1 over 4 to the 5th power. And that's 1 over 1024, as seen in method 1. Part B. How about negative 32 to the 4/5 power? Well, in method 1, we rewrite negative 32 to the 4/5 power as negative 2 to the 5th power. That's equivalent to negative 32 raised to the 4/5. Well, that becomes negative 2 raised to the 5 times 4/5 power, which simplifies nicely to a power of 4, so negative 2 to the 4th power, and that's positive 16. In method 2, we begin differently. Negative 32 raised to the 4/5 power can be rewritten as the 5th root of negative 32 raised to the 4th power. Now again, negative 32 can be thought of as negative 2 to the 5th power, so our radicand changes. Now we have the 5th root of negative 2 to the 5th power raised to the 4th power. Simplifying, we have negative 2 to the 4th power, and once again, we find that's 16. Your turn, part A. What is 32 to the negative 3/5 power in simplest form? Part B. What is 16 to the 3/4 power in simplest form? Part C. What is 9 to the negative 3.5 power in simplest form?